So this is our sense of patriotism. Connect with your roots, help each other progress, think of the person next to you before you think of your own interests. And Rebuild India has four values that we propagate, we practice, and we teach our children to practice. Sadhana, that is doing something every day to become a better person, working towards development. Second, seva. Seva is service. You get opportunities to help the weak, the helpless, and the elderly. ಅಸಹಾಯಕರು ಅಶಕ್ತರು ಮತ್ತು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಸೇವೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಎಲ್ಡರ್ಲಿ, ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ವೀಕ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೆಸ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. 3, ತ್ಯಾಗ is sacrifice. My family is bigger than me, so my interests come behind my family's interests, and my nation is bigger than my family, so my nation's interests come before my family's interests. So if there's a conflict between my interest and family's interests, family's interests take precedence over my interests. So that is tyaga. Sadhana, seve, tyaga, samarpane. Samarpane is doing everything with a sense of dedication. If whatever you are doing right now, if you are eating food, eat with a sense of dedication, complete samarpana bhava towards the task that you are doing. So these are the four values. India was a Vishwaguru once upon a time because these four values were a part of the psyche of people to a larger extent. Now for us to become the guru of the world again, we need to instill these four values back into the minds of people. Where do we start? The people whose attitudes, belief systems, their tendencies that has already been established, you cannot do anything to them. You can keep appraising them, but the change that you can see in these dimensions is the maximum when you instill these values in the youngsters, in the kids. When they are young, when their receptivity is the highest, when their compliance is the highest, when their trust on you is the highest, when their energy is the highest, when their possibilities are the highest, when their creativity is the highest, that is the time when they are in school. And you instill the right kind of value system in the school, they develop as very strong, confident, content individuals. So this is the Rebuild India value system. This is our idea of patriotism. It's not about telling somebody that I am better than you. It's about constantly working towards becoming a better person, constantly working towards achieving the best possible development that you can achieve for yourself, on the basis of the greatest philosophical and spiritual heritage that we have, that is the Indian heritage, and help everybody around you to attain their full potential. That is our patriotism. And this, over a period of time, will expand to include everybody in the world. Every human being is a potential family member. That is the concept of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is the concept of patriotism in the Rebuild India framework of things.